Hey there, explorers. Welcome back to Wander Engineer, your one-stop portal for fascinating adventures, cutting-edge engineering, and life-enhancing hacks. Today, we're diving into the intersection of travel, engineering, and much more. Get ready for a thrilling expedition. We endorse the power of innovation to improve our world. We spotlight feats of engineering from sustainable architecture to innovative transportation systems, shaping the future of our planet. We also love globe-trotting and sharing the world's hidden gems, from Tokyo's vibrant streets to Patagonia's tranquil vistas. Pack your bags and join us for an unforgettable journey. We also share practical hacks to simplify your everyday life. From time-saving morning routines to ingenious DIY solutions, we've got you covered. We inspire you to venture beyond your comfort zone, offering a mix of cultural experiences and adrenaline-fueled activities. Whether you're an adventurer or a novice, there's always something new at Wander Engineer. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe, and join the Wander Engineer family today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy wandering. All right, explorers, now that you're part of the Wander Engineer crew, it's time for our first travel hack. Travel hack 1, always pack a multi-tool kit. Keep your gear in check and ready any situation. Picture this. You're setting up camp in a breathtaking forest when a tent screw loosens, or you need to cut rope or open a food can. Perhaps you have a broken backpack zipper. For these occurrences, a multi-tool kit is essential. It's a compact, versatile solution, featuring a knife, pliers, screwdrivers, and more. A mini toolbox that fits in your pocket. This small extra can be a game changer, saving you time and stress during your adventures. It's not just about packing clothes or essentials, it's about readiness for whatever comes your way. So when packing, remember your multi-tool kit, a tiny item that can make a massive impact. Stay tuned for more travel hacks from Wander Engineer, where we help you travel smart and explore more. Onward to our next adventure, folks. All right, folks, let's dive into our second travel hack. Travel hack 2, use a pill container for your jewelry. Yes, small items like earrings or rings often get lost in your luggage. Here's a tip to prevent this. Use an empty pill container. Small, have multiple compartments, and are perfect for jewelry. Each slot can hold a different item. Store earrings in one, rings in another, pendants in the next. This way your jewelry stays organized, prevents tangling or getting lost. Plus, the sturdy material of a pill container provides extra safety. Instead of carelessly throwing your jewelry in your suitcase, use a pill container. It's a practical way to keep your jewelry safe during travels. Remember, a little organization can go a long way towards a smooth journey, so keep exploring, keep traveling, and stay tuned for more hacks from Wander Engineer. Let's gear up for our next adventure. Now let's move to our next travel hack. Travel hack 3, roll your clothes instead of folding them. Sounds unusual, right? But this method can revolutionize packing. Normally we fold clothes into suitcases, however, rolling clothes can save significant space. Besides reducing volume, it also lessens wrinkles. To roll clothes, place them flat first. Smooth wrinkles, then roll from the bottom up. You'll marvel at the space saved by rolling clothes rather than folding. This technique allows you to pack more and makes locating packed items easier. If you're short on space, rubber bands or packing cubes can be used to secure rolled clothes, making them compact. So when packing for your next trip, roll your clothes. It may take a bit more time, but the saved is worth it. As always, keep exploring, keep traveling, and stay tuned for more hacks from Wander Engineer. Let's roll into our next adventure. Let's dive into our fourth travel hack. Travel hack 4, use a shower cap to cover the bottom of your shoes. Indeed, shower cap. This simple hack keeps your bag free from shoe dirt. Just cover your shoe soles with the cap's open end. The dirt stays off your clothes, ensuring clean luggage. It's an efficient, economical trick, perfect for trips involving hikes or muddy paths. The cap's elastic guarantees a secure fit, minimizing slippage. What's the cherry on top? Hotels usually offer shower caps for free, thus can always have spare caps for your travels. So next time, remember to pack your shoes with a shower cap. Your clothes will thank you for it. Stay as we continue our journey with Wander Engineer, bringing you more easy and effective travel hacks. As we move forward with our travel hack series, here's another one for you tech-savvy folks out there. Travel hack 5, use a glasses case as a cable organizer. Misplaced chargers and tangled wires? Here's a simple solution. An old case can store your cables and chargers. Roll your tech accessories neatly, put them in the case. The firm shell safeguards your belongings, and it's compact for your luggage. Avoid wire mess, find chargers easily. It's a clever way to reuse discarded items. So remember this hack for your next trip. Your cables and chargers will be organized, and you'll have more space for essentials. Stay tuned for more practical and creative travel hacks from Wonder Engineer. In this next segment of our Travel Hack series, we're going green with Travel Hack 6, carry a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial while traveling, but bottled water isn't eco-friendly and can be expensive. An easy solution is to carry a reusable water bottle. It gives you constant access to water, saves money, and cuts down on plastic waste. Plus, many travel spots have water stations for easy refills. Concerned about space? There are collapsible bottles that fit comfortably in your bag. So the next time you're packing, remember your reusable water bottle. A small step that has a massive impact on your travels and our planet. Stick around for more innovative and sustainable travel tips from Wonder Engineer. Next up in our Travel Hack series is a relaxing and invigorating trick that will transform your travel experience. Travel Hack 7, the Essential Oil Diffuser Hack. Traveling can be a stressful experience, and it's essential to maintain a calm and relaxing environment wherever you go. So why not bring a portable essential oil diffuser with you? It's compact, lightweight, and can easily fit in your luggage. Whether you're in a hotel room or a rental car, a few drops of your favorite essential oil can help create a relaxing ambience, reduce stress, and even help you sleep better. Essential oils like lavender, chamomile, or peppermint can be particularly beneficial. Remember, a peaceful journey is a happy journey. Stay tuned for more travel hacks from your trusted Wonder Engineer. Before we wrap up, we have a small request from all of you. If you found these travel hacks useful, don't forget to hit the like button and show your support. We'd love to hear which hack was your favorite, so please leave us a comment below. Also, if you want to stay updated with more such travel hacks and adventures, make sure to subscribe to Wonder Engineer. Our journey is far from over, and we'd love for you to be a part of it. Do you have friends or family who love traveling? If so, why not share this video with them? You never know, they might find their next favorite travel hack right here. And for more immediate updates, follow us on our social media platforms. We've got a lot more in store for you. Thanks for your support. And until next time, keep wondering.